Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Now we have come to the next video, which will explain to you on the graph of hyperbola. So let's begin with the transverse axis parallel to x-axis. So this is the graph that you'll get when the transverse axis is parallel to x-axis. Okay, so the graph will be open to the right and also open to the left. So this is the shape of your graph. So let's go to the center first. You should have a center in the middle here with a coordinate of HK. You can see that this is your transverse axis and your conjugate axis will be here, the opposite side. So all of the points of your center, vertices, foci will be on the transverse axis. So let's fill in your vertices. So this should be your vertices. Let me write it as V1 and V2. So how about the coordinate of the vertices? So let's check from center to your vertices, the distance is A. Therefore, from HK, if you go back with the distance A, the coordinate now will be H minus A, comma K. Another coordinate will be H plus A, because you have to go to the right. So it is H plus A, comma K. So this is the coordinate of your vertices. Next, let's see our foci. So your foci is these 2 points here. So let's name it as F1 and also as F2. So how about the coordinate now? So from HK, you have to go back as much as distance C, because the distance from your center to your foci is C. So let's write here first. Therefore, from HK, if you go back as much as distance C, therefore the coordinate will be H minus C, comma K, and the coordinate of F2 will be H plus C, comma K, because you have to go to the right. So we have done with that. Now, let's see where is our co-vertices. So let's see the coordinate of our co-vertices. Your co-vertices is this value here with the distance of B. So when we connect all of the dots later on, we will find our asymptote. Let's try. From your vertices, go up as much as distance B, go down as much as distance B, and also from the vertices, another vertices, go up and go down. So let's connect the edges here, another edges here. And then now you can connect this edge and also this edge here. Make sure this is going through the center. So expand it, going outside. That is the line of asymptote with positive slope. Let's see another asymptote. Connect these 2 points here. Make sure you have go through your center and then expand it more outside of the box there. So that's it. That is another asymptote. So you can see that when we draw our hyperbola, the opening of the hyperbola is controlled by the asymptote there. Next, let us see the equation of the asymptote. Let us recall first what you have learned when you want to find equation of a straight line, which is equation of linear. So the formula that you have learned before this is y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1. So what is your x1 and y1? It is the coordinate that you got from the line. So let's fill in the coordinate of HK. So now our x1 is H, our y1 is K. So now you have y minus K equal to mx minus H. Now, what is the slope? You have learned this before, that when you want to find a slope, we need to find the difference of y divide the difference of x. So let's see the positive slope here. Let's focus this here. So the difference of y is b, then divide with the difference of x. This is the value of a. So let us fill in. Our m right now is b over a. So your formula will become y minus k equal to b over a x minus h. So this is the equation of your asymptote with a positive slope. How about the equation of the negative slope? So this is very simple. You just add a minus sign in front of your slope here. Therefore, the general formula is y minus k equal to plus minus b over a x minus h. So let me rewrite again. For the positive slope, the coordinate now is y minus k equal to b over a x minus h. For the negative slope of asymptote, it is y minus k equal to minus b over a in bracket x minus h. So let us review again. We should have our center here. Center is HK. We should have our vertices. There's 2 points here. So our vertices is H minus a comma k. Another one is H plus a comma k. That is our V1 and V2. You can see here in the summary part. Next, let's see our foci. This is 2 foci here. So one of it is H minus C comma K. Another one is H plus C comma K. And lastly, we can see that we can find the asymptote and the coordinate. And the equation of asymptote is from the linear equation. First, we fill in h and k, and then we find the slope. So fill in our slope right now. It is b over a. So just put it as b over a. This is a positive slope, so make it as positive m. This is a negative slope, so make it as minus. Next, we can see further that this is your length of transverse axis. So the length of transverse axis is 2a. This is the length of your conjugate axis. The length of conjugate axis is 2b. So that is the end of explanation for the graph of hyperbola with transverse axis parallel to x-axis. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.